Hello, this is my review of the Magic Dawn screen protector. Open the case here. I got the one that has a two in the pack, so I have two phones, but comes with some wipes and like a scraper for the bubbles and stuff. But let's go ahead and take this out and take a look. All right, let's see if this is that easy to install yourself. I've already cleaned my screen and wiped it off from all the dust and stuff. So let's see how this works. You just snap the case onto the phone like this. Make sure it's all evened up. And you have to pull this blue tab here. All the way off. Then you're supposed to slide your finger here to get it to seal. Then you pull this other tab here, all the way off. Okay, let's take it off and see what it looks like. You can see it going all the way down sealing. Okay, let's take off the last protector, and there you have it. Wow, nice, smooth, clean, no bubbles in there. There you have it. I hope this review helps.